Welcome to our Microwave Engineering Lab and Antenna and Wave Propagation Lab. This laboratory, AICT Modrop Laboratory. Myself, Amolesh Chandra Ghatak, EC Department, GNIT. I am Assistant Laboratory in charge, RF and Microwave Engineering Laboratory and Antenna and Wave Propagation Laboratory. These two laboratories are most vital for EC student because all type of communication we needed different type of antenna and high frequency transmitted we needed microwave transmission like as satellite communication, radar communication, etc. So in these two labs is more vital for EC student. This is vector network analyzer. This analyzer only available our college, Guru Nanak Institute of Technology and Kharagpur IIT. This network analyzer provide Government of India AICT Modrop project. This is spectrum analyzer and this is power meter and this is power sensor. And 35 different type antenna available in our laboratory like as helix antenna, whip antenna, log periodic antenna, patch antenna, biconical antenna, V antenna, dipole antenna, folded dipole antenna, Yagi-Uda antenna and so on. Basically, measurement in this laboratory, radiation pattern, gain, directivity and beam with different type of antenna. This setup is basic antenna trainer kit setup. Use this setup, radiation pattern measurement, dipole, folded dipole and Yagi-Uda antenna. This setup is advanced antenna trainer kit. This is our RF receiver, this is stepper motor controller and this is RF transmitter. And this is antenna measurement training kit. This setup used measuring different type of antenna, radiation pattern, gain, directivity and beam width. This experiment, our fourth semester experiment or fourth semester RF. In this laboratory also used in sixth semester RF and Microwave Engineering Laboratory. This is the one most vital for EC student laboratory because high frequency transmit or generate using microwave oscillator or microwave frequency like as radar communication, satellite communication, we use microwave signal. Our laboratory, all equipments are X-band equipment. X-band frequency range is 8.2 to 12.4 GHz. And waveguide is rectangular waveguide. This setup use study of characteristic of a reflex Klystron oscillator. And this setup used determination of phase and group velocity. And this setup used measurement of coupling factor, directivity, insertion loss, and isolation of a directional coupler using X-band waveguide test bench setup. And this setup used measurement of unknown impedance using shift linear technique. And this setup VSW, R and reflection coefficient of a coaxial line for various load conditions using frequency dominion. And this setup also used study of gun oscillator characteristic using X-band waveguide test bench. Our microwave laboratory mainly use two type of power supply. One is gun power supply and other is Klystron power supply. And use two type of oscillator. One is gun oscillator and other is Klystron oscillator. So in this laboratory use two semester, that is fourth semester antenna and wave propagation lab, and then other is sixth semester RF and microwave engineering laboratory.